Hi, and welcome to another Blender generate modifier video. So in this one, we're going to go over the subdivision surface. It's just going to make things look a lot smoother. That's pretty much it. Um, so let's apply to all three of them. Subdivision surface, and subdivision surface. So as you can see, all of them are on the catmull clerk one, but if we go to simple, like they just kind of go back to their same shape. Even if we increase the levels of the viewport, nothing really happens. I'm not sure if this is a defect or if maybe there's something else going on. So we're just going to stick with catmull clerk. All right. So increasing the levels of viewport does make it smoother. Render just is going to make it nicer in the render part. Let's see. Yeah, so just the number of subdivisions to perform when rendering. So 2 is a good match. Anything more than 3 is just too much. All right, so before you apply this modifier, make sure that if you're like, let's say, doing some what's it called, like human modeling or object modeling for like a weird creature or something, that you add the edges, the the edges that you want to keep as part of the seams first. So mark seam, yeah, like that, before you add the modifier, because after you add the modifier, if you try to add those seams, the geometry is going to be like this, and trying to find one, try to create that seam is it's going to be really hard. You're going to have to go a lot deeper. Yeah, so make sure you do that. Oh, also create the seam before you apply the modifier, and then apply the modifier and then do your UV unmapping. But that's for like character design. But I'm just letting you know, in case you're curious. Let's go back to catmull here, increasing. Yep, nice. And same thing over here, catmull, and just makes things a lot smoother. We can do some advanced stuff, but I would honestly just stick with this. You don't really need it too much. So, and that's pretty much it. I hope those little examples help you. But this is kind of what happens when you add that modifier to different objects. And I also gave you some examples on if you're, if you're creating character design or something as well, for seams and for UV stuff. Yeah, all right. Till next time.